Have you ever considered wearing a wig? Well, if you haven't, maybe you should. There are lots of reasons why women and men come into the Designer Wig Outlet. I'm with Haley McCoy, who is the owner and has been for 15 years.
That's right.
Wow, congratulations, first of all.
Thank you. I've enjoyed every minute of it.
I can tell that you have. I've known Haley for a long time, about 10 years. You've always worn a wig. Why?
That's true. So I had hair loss starting when I had my third child.
Wow.
It got thinner and thinner, yet I was working full time. Once I switched over to wigs, I realized that that was my go-to. Every day I was putting on that wig instead of doing my own hair.
Wow, so once you switched over, you never looked back, is what I'm hearing. All right, let's talk about, she is an expert. I mean, you've been doing this for so long, you know everything about wigs. Let's talk about some of your favorites here and why you feature them. The Raquel Welch line is one that you love, and why?
So Raquel Welch wigs are beautiful, they're affordable, and most of their hair fibers can actually be heat styled. They look and feel a lot like human hair.
Wow, and that's important to women, right? That we want to be able to change it up if we need to and be able to style it, because some wigs you can't, right?
Yes, so there are synthetic wigs that don't require any styling. Now those are going to be good to take on vacation, to wear to weddings and things where you need that ready-made hair. But they also are making human hair wigs as well as heat-friendly synthetics.
I love that. And so let's talk about, because you have a lot of different styles, short, medium, long.
Yep, all the different colors, textures.
And it's important for women to come in for a consultation, because then you will help them find the right one.
Yeah, so during your consultation, we're going to try on several wigs and toppers to find your best fit. After that, we're going to trim and customize the wig as needed, educate you on how to put it on, how to wash it, and everything you're going to need to know to own that wig.
And toppers are a little bit different. What are toppers for?
So a lot of women just come in, they're newly experiencing some hair thinning, they don't need a wig. So we're going to fit those women with a topper, which is a type of hair extensions that just clips on, really easy to wear.
I love that. I love that. And thank you so much, Haley. And like I said, there are so many reasons why women choose to come in and wear a wig. I mean, hair loss is something that happens to so many women today. This is Stephanie, who's been so kind to come in and share your story with us. So you started losing your hair. Tell me how you felt when that started happening.
Scary and devastating, and it just feels like there's not a lot of answers. Start worrying about how you feel in public, what other people are thinking of you.
Yeah. And so you decided to come and see Haley, and you found a community here, didn't you?
Absolutely.
Tell me.
It's been life-changing. They are so welcoming here. There's so many options. I have just loved every minute. And
tell me what your husband says.
My husband, people have asked, is it weird that your wife wears a wig? And he's like, heck no. She's got her confidence back, and it makes her beautiful.
Oh, and you are beautiful, and it looks amazing on you. And again, you know, hair loss happens for a lot of different reasons. And Liz, I want you to tell me, you went through a lot of trauma in your life at one point, and that's why you lost your hair?
Yeah, just last year, tremendous amount of loss and grief, and the result of that stress triggered the hair loss. So I began to just have handfuls of hair falling out in the shower. And it was very scary, like Stephanie said, and I came to see Haley because I knew I needed to get my confidence back.
And not to mention that you were going through all of this trauma, then to feel about yourself the way you did when you look in the mirror. How do you feel now?
I feel so much better. I feel like I have my confidence back. I'm still grieving the losses that I had, but I'm able to carry on and feel more normal now than I could before, and I'm not afraid to, you know, what other people might think.
And you found a community.
And we all found each other. Yeah, it's a great place to be.
Oh, well, ladies, thank you so much for sharing your stories. You look beautiful. Haley, you look amazing too. You've got to help me up before I give us a special offer. Oh, here we go. Okay, how about this? And here's a special offer. Haley's offering up free consultations. That's a $49 value. Designer Wig Outlet is located at 6017 East McKellips Road in Mesa. Call 480-307-9466 or visit designerwigoutletaz.com.